Hi friends, welcome back. I'm so excited for these nails, you have no idea. I've already prepped my tips. Here's everything I'm going to be using. The polygels came from the kit I unboxed in my previous video. I'll have a link for you if you want to check it out. And my aim for this set was to use pretty much everything from the kit and as many polygels as I could. But I was mostly excited for the glitter polygels, glitter silver and glitter purple. They looked so pretty in the swatches. I've also got my Hello Kitty heads. Now because this set is freestyled, I really didn't know how I was going to use it. So here are the swatches of the polygels. These are the three main colors I'm going to use, but I'm also going to use white and clear. I really want to test those out as well. These two came with the kit as well. I used the base coat to adhere my tips, and I'm going to finish off the nails with the top coat. But the downside of this kit was that it didn't come with slip solution, so I'm going to use my 𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐷 slip solution. I'm going to use the files as well as the brush that came with the kit. Now for my nail art, I wanted to use my water decals. I haven't used these since last summer, and what I did was I just scrunched them up and kept them in my desk, and I've just pulled them out for the first time in like a year. So my little sister got me the water for the decals in this heart-shaped dapper dish. Shout out to her, thank you so much. Also, I got out my kawaii charms. I don't know if I'm going to use them yet. I also brought out my other charms because I got so much to choose from, and because it's freestyled, I really just like to look at my charms and then they just inspire me. But the star of the show are of course my other Hello Kitty heads. Do you know what, let's just get straight into the nails. I'm gonna do a base of the white polygel for my water decals because the last set I did with water decals I used a clear base and I didn't really want to do that this time. Also because the other colors in my nails today are going to be pink, I just didn't want a pink overload, even though I don't really believe there's such a thing as a pink overload. Honestly, I really just wanted to test the white and then get a thumbs up from me. It's really bright as you can see because some other white polygels are like really pale and dull. So yeah, thumbs up, thumbs up. Also, speaking of thumbs up, don't forget to leave a like, thumbs up the video, and don't forget to subscribe because I got more videos coming out, more summer nails, more designs, more nail art. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you think of these nails. I really want to hear from you guys. So I'm cutting out the exact flowers I'm going to use, and I actually have the video I did last summer where I went into detail about how to use a water decal. But if this is your first time, what you need to do is first take off the clear film that covers the decal, then fully immerse it into the water. Obviously you can use a bigger container like for the water, but this is what I had on hand. Make sure it's fully immersed. The temperature of the water doesn't matter because I've only ever used room temperature or cold. I've never really used warm, so I can't really comment on that, but I'm sure it works just the same. Then wait for at least 20 seconds and then bring it out and try to slide the decal off the paper. If you're feeling slight resistance, that means it's not ready yet, or if it's not moving at all, put it right back into the water. Don't damage it, don't force it. I had to do the same. I had to put it right back in and wait for another 15-20 seconds maybe, and then as you can see it slid off with no resistance, no damage, and it looks so pretty on my nails. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me apply the rest, and then I'm gonna ombre it with my clear purple, which is like a really light purple, almost pink shade, and then I'm going to encapsulate it with my clear. As you guys are going to see, the clear is really good quality. It's not cloudy and it didn't yellow. It's also really easy to work with. So yeah, the clear gets a thumbs up from me as well. So now that's out the way, guys, you will not believe the day I had filming these nails. It was full of so much drama. I actually started pretty early, but I completely forgot that that day Coldplay was going to be in my city. They were actually in the city for 2 days performing. I think it was 5th and 6th of June. And I'm going to insert some clips towards the end. You're going to see all the buses were like messed up. A lot of the buses were cancelled. So many diversions. And then the buses like ended a lot earlier. Like you guys know, if you watch my previous videos, I take 2 buses to get home because I'm a student. I don't really stay with my family right now. My desk setup is at home with my family. I actually have a nail desk and room tour where I did like a cleanup and organization. You guys can see that. I'll have a link for you. So yeah, the buses were cancelled a lot, and the ones that you could get on were like packed full. But I was indoors filming the whole day, so I really didn't get too much of footage like with the crowds and everybody and but I did get some footage after the show. It was so crazy. So yeah, I was just taking my time thinking like it's like a normal day, but like the buses were ending much earlier. And so as as I was drawing the Hello Kitty design, I start panicking because my mom walked into the room and she was like, you do remember there's a concert going on today? Like, that's probably going to affect the buses. It's like, oh my gosh, no. I was like, start searching up the buses, help me, blah, blah, blah. I was even telling my mom, pack up for me, pack my stuff. I brought my laptop because I came early in the morning. So I had time to like do multiple sets of nails and like really do YouTube shorts. I was trying to like make as much content as I could. And then the time was just flying. As in, see drama in the house. And my little brother and sister had to go to school the next day. So my mom was trying to get them to bed early. So she's like, the kids have to go to sleep, da 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 da. And I have to go to sleep too because I got work in the morning. So you need to be out the house. I have to lock the door behind you. So every like 10 minutes, she's like, have you checked the times? It's like, are you done now? You packed up? It's time to go. It's time to go. Whole time I'm trying to draw Hello Kitty's bow. I'm trying to draw her shirt. I was like, I'm coming. Yeah. But I was like, no, don't distract me. The more you make me talk, the harder it's gonna be. Like, the longer I'm gonna take. Guys, see drama. But, you know, it was like a fun memory, a core memory. Like, it was a fun day, like, I'm not gonna lie, because it was like this adrenaline rush, and like I'm always gonna remember that when it comes to these nails. It seems like that seems to be like a recurring thing for me all the time, just complaining about how I almost missed the bus. God, I can't wait till I start driving. I can't wait. But well, student life, innit? By the way, when it comes to the pink, the all pink nail that I did the Hello Kitty on, the clear purple was really soft and real like sticky and like melty. It wasn't that firm. Like, you can see how many times I had to go over a certain spot. Like, it was really difficult to work with, I'm not gonna lie. But the two glitter polygels were absolutely amazing. No complaints whatsoever. Great pigmentation, excellent quality. I do think the glitter being in the polygels did have something to do with how firm and how like together it was. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out because, you know, we are still reviewing the polygel kit at the end of the day. So I'm gonna file off camera and I'm gonna come back for the nail art, and you guys are gonna see me make my attempt with Hello Kitty. Me, can you imagine me drawing my little baby Hello Kitty? Like, that's my girl, for real. Love you, Hello Kitty.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, get there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, I'll take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, you make time that look good. Come here to the sun, hold you for me. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
Hey, yo, watch out what you got.
She nigga was on it.
Try, this shit come easy when I'm with my slimes. Yeah, pop a bean, keep my system clean. Been drinking water, be like kerosene. Caught you busting a move. I'm just sauce acting stupid. Love just hide on in Cupid. I'm with my dogs, yeah, we grooving. 4 on the floor, that's a drug I'm abusing. Show you the grass is green or whatever it is. Your feet on music, bumping out the speakers. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't stop it. Get this feeling. Make it out alive. I got my friends, got my lady right by my side. Doing something, yeah, you know the vibe. Speaker bumping, got me feeling like
they blow trees, so you don't need me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lucky, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feed me slowly.
I've seen the way we live. I do the world I've seen. We are nobody in Jehovah. And the Lord of the Prophet. Who's the God that they bow? That's how they move the Shita. And then I really put it to bar. In line was that Shita.
At this point, I was in a rush. I had to just glue on the pink Hello Kitty head and then run. When I came back the next day, all I was thinking was I could have just done this today. Like I could have just done the nail art the next day because I had to pop these off and they were so strong, like so glued to my nails. Ugh, it was painful. But anyways, I was actually in town the next day and I thought, let me just show you guys a little bit of what's been going on. So I'm just going to show you a little walkthrough. And actually, the city looks so beautiful as I'm watching it back now. Like, it's actually a really pretty place. Like, but yeah, all of town was crowded. You guys have no idea. It was so crowded. It actually doesn't even look that bad right now. But this is where everyone was queuing up to get some merch before the show. All the securities outside. People were going to get their places in the queue. I even saw some hot dog stands and some food trucks and stuff like that. Oh, and the heat. Let's not talk about the heat. But to be fair, it was like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Like, of course it was going to be hot. You can see all the stalls and everything. Like, look at those hats. Like, tell me they're not a bit of me. Like, look at the pink. But anyways, it's almost midnight, like it was 11 o'clock at night, and it was just as crowded. Everyone was leaving, and people were pouring from everywhere across the bridge, trying to get buses, trying to get home. I literally said, you know what, I'll walk home. Even if it's like 20-30 minutes, I'll walk home because the buses were packed. I was like, I'm not going to squeeze in like a can of sardines with these lot. Like, I'm just going to walk. But this is my thumb. This is how it came out. I love it. I love it. I love it. I actually filmed the tutorial in YouTube Shorts, so you can go check that out if you want. But yeah, guys, what do you think about me vlogging? Like, I'm not used to vlogging, but I just wanted to like do something different to like let you guys see the town a bit. I'm not really used to vlogging, but maybe I might get into it just for you guys. So yeah, guys, I came back the next day, glued the nails back on just to put my cuticle oil on, take some pictures, and tell you guys that these are my favorite nails I've done so far. I know I say it pretty frequently, but that's the goal, isn't it? Like, just to get better each time. And I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna give myself some props for how well Hello Kitty came out. That's my girl. I love you, Hello Kitty. And I want to know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm still like kind of in disbelief that I drew this. Like, my only thing I would say is that I should have made her ears more round. I think her ears are a bit too pointy, like an actual house cat. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.